Hello everyone, hope so all of doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Bluetooth not working or Bluetooth not pairing or connection problem in Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T or Note 11T Pro. So before I start video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel. So to fix Bluetooth connection problem in Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T Pro or Note 11T, simply first of all just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.